I grew up in Sweden, in Stockholm. So I studied Mashas and went to continue and created a company later on here in Kenya. But when I went back, I almost applied to almost صدح بقول شقة applications. I kept on applying, but I was never getting any interviews. So almost 4 months of a period of non-stop applying and trying to understand what is the issue. But it clearly showed a system where discrimination is very high in Sweden, especially if you're a black person, a Muslim person, even a person being of a Somali origin. There's even a report in Sweden that Somalis are the second most discriminated group in the country. So it was a very tough period, but alhamdulillah, I managed to pass through that period. Nigeria, interesting. Dal almost like 200 million people, one of the richest countries in the world, but it's also one of the most toughest place to create a company. I think if you tell anyone if you can make it in Nigeria, you can make it anywhere. I started a company there. We got almost $5 million investment by one of the Swedish investment company, and built the company to almost 180 employees that was working with me. That was within e-commerce. So in most places is like Craigslist or Gumtree, or in Sweden Blocket. So it's a marketplace for buyers and sellers to be able to sell extra stuff. If it's mobile phones, TVs, or babur, or kulli, everything. So the name was called everything.com. So literally everything. So I work for a company called Truecaller, a Swedish app that is the biggest in the world when it comes to call identification and stopping spammers. We have almost 300 million users around the world. Each day 120 million users use our app. So my responsibility is working from Kenya, but on the African market, EU, Middle East.